Is it Tan? Tan, are you here? Tan. Tan. How do I draw the body? Tan, I know you were here. I know it was you. I fucking knew it was you. Tan, you are my real subscriber. You're my loyal subscriber. Well, you're not my subscriber. You're my real friend. What the fuck do you say subscriber? I'm gonna draw this freaky Robloxian. I'm gonna draw this freaky Robloxian. Do you hear me though? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I'm gonna draw his dick. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm with my TV right now. So I may wait. Be right back real quick. Oh wait, is it good then? Oh. Wait, I'm gonna see my channel right now to TV. Oh my god, I don't speak. Oh, thank you. I don't know. I mean, I'm not English. I'm Argentinian. I'm not here from. Oh my god, I don't know how. I know how to type English. Okay, I'm watching my own stream right now. Oh my god, I don't know. Okay, it is a bit glitchy, but okay. I'm gonna draw this freaky Robloxian. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna draw this freaky Robloxian. Wait. Okay. Robloxian. Wait. Yeah. I just watched my own stream in my. No. Sorry, I'm too. I won't be that. This is my. Oh, okay. Meanwhile, I don't know if other people hear me, but I'm gonna talk to you since. Oh, hello! Someone else joined. One, the most people I could have. Oh my god, I don't know how to talk English too good. I mean, I know how to type, but I don't know how to talk. I mean, I know how to talk. Oh my god, I'm jumping too much. I'm gonna just shut the fuck up. How do you draw the arms, bruh? How do I draw this freaky Robloxian? I drew the arm so fucking bad. Fuck. Lonely, lonely. I guess I'm lonely. Also, for the other people, for the other person that just joined, my mic is glitchy. I don't know how to fix it. So because I use it this fucking mouse and thing, and I don't know how to use Streamlabs without my face just showing up. Oh, okay. Shalka, you can ask me questions too, and if you hear me, I can talk right just here. I can answer them right using my voice. This is the first stream that I can talk because my mom is not here right now, and I only stream when my mom is not around because she won't understand a fuck what I'm saying. I mean, I'm the only one in my class who talks English so well. I was just watching memes until I got the idea to stream. Oh my god. The other person is playing Dead Rails, my friend Tan, here that I'm talking with, Tan Tesli Vanilli. He's focused with his friends. Tell me when you find a unicorn though. I never saw one. You can show me, but just tell me if you find something rare. Because I'm not that good in Dead Rails, so I mean, I'm a noob at playing Dead Rails. I mean, a zombie already catch me and I'm dead. I'm dead already. I also play Grow. Just tell me if I'm too shabby, I don't know. I'm cold. I'm a bit sick right now. Today, it's my lucky day. Tomorrow, Friday, how do you say it in English? Here in Spanish, it's feriado. I mean, like, I don't have to go to school because it's not school day. And today I didn't go to school because there's an act going on. And my mom told me if I wanted to go yesterday, and I said no. Oh, I said, oh my god! Bad luck for you, I guess. I might just drop the blush, or do I? Do oh my gosh! I stuttered. Oh my god! I stuttered too much. I mean, like in my desk, in my description before, I had my age, and just to tell, I already know this much English, and I'm only 10. I mean, like, how can I talk English that well? It's from Roblox. I was born with a artist talent, so that's why I'm only 10 and I draw this good. I mean, like, this is my other arts. I swear to God, oh my god, these fucking ads, I can't stand them. Wait, let me just move the chat so I can close it. My gosh, only 11. Yesterday, this one, 50 minutes just making this cringy ass drawing. Well, I'm gonna stop showing my beer bag. Oh, okay. Wait, people hear me, so I don't have to chat, to be honest. The other person who's watching, tell me if you can hear me, just telling. No, I just used skin color to make it smell. Oh my god. No, 0 people! What the fuck? Well, Tom is gonna come back, I guess. Lonely, lonely, I guess I'm lonely. Чепуйка кричит, lonely, lonely, I guess I'm lonely. Pity, pity, yeah, you know, yeah. Lonely, lonely, I guess I'm lonely. Pity. Oh my. Oh my. I didn't know my mic was that bad. I mean, like, oh my no, my phone, my phone. Oh, I feel it just black out. I got so scared. Help. Mafioso, mafia, the mafia boss. The people who joins you can ask me questions. I might end the stream though. If Dan doesn't come back, I might end the stream since I'm gonna just be alive when nobody is watching it, to be honest. Wait, 20. Oh, Dan, you back! You back! Yippee! I was so sad I was about to end the stream since almost no one watches it. Fanboy. I'm gonna make him lashes. Oh my god, he's so zesty. I didn't know my mic was that fucked up. D. Oh my god, help me, I'm so freaky. Okay, drawing this and this and this and this. This nuts. This nut. Oh my god. Also, Tan, you can ask me questions. If you don't understand what the fuck I'm saying, just tell me and I'll re-say it for you. You can ask me questions. I mean, like, this is my first time where I can stream without my mom. Just annoying me. Oh my god! I always click everywhere. I mean, like, I click everywhere. I'm gonna duplicate this because I'm too lazy to draw it again. Okay, this mafia boss is looking zesty like always. Well, he's not zesty. He's freaky. Did you saw Tan? Did you saw the comment? I just saved my other video till the latest one, where I said mafioso gonna leave chance unable to walk. And help me, I'm too freaky. Ignore, please. Ignore me. Wait, should I make him pregnant too? No, it looks like Astro Arms. I kinda remember and I kinda don't. What do you mean? What do you mean my fucking god. What do you mean by that? what do you mean by that? Oh my, he's black. Don't no. Help me. I mean like I can talk and a little I can talk. I mean Tan, you're my lost loyal friend. I mean like when I'm doing a stream, he always come here. You're the first one to see it. I mean, like, I'm happy. Well, I'm a quite little. Okay, Tan, can you tell you a story? Can I tell you a story I just had yesterday? Can I? No problem. And can I tell you a story I just had yesterday? Because it's one of my friends. I don't want to call her bestie since she copies me and everything. I mean, like, I do a sound, she copies me. I do a face, she copies me. But do you want to see the story? Do you want to hear the story? Okay. I don't know. I didn't know you could hear me, but yesterday we were in math class with my teacher and my friends, my classmates and everything. Well, uh, with the exam, we didn't finish it though. We need one more question and we finish it. I had everything good, but I couldn't I couldn't talk in the class when my teacher was explaining because I already finished it. Like I'm going to tell the initial letter of one of my friends, A, and me, A, too. Well, Alma is my name. A and me, we already finished the exam. Not yet. We need one more question. Well, the teacher asked M1, the friend. I got two M besties, but M is the friend. The teacher told her, "What is? How does she?" This the question. I don't remember it, but the teacher, when she took like 2 minutes to do it, and she didn't understand it because she doesn't study. She's just here playing Roblox when she needs to study. The teacher asked her, "What is 10 plus 10?" And she say 2000. I don't know how to say it in English. 2000. 3 zeros and 1 2. I don't know how to say in English. Wait, let me just type it in chat. She said that, and that was 10 plus 10. I mean, like, she doesn't study, and we already are in 5th grade. Then 6th, and we're going to go to secondary. Like, girl, 10 plus 10 isn't 2000. And my besties, almost the entire class was disappointed of her because she didn't know what 10 plus 10 was. 10, one of my besties, when I'm going to just say the name, Milena, said the answer. And the teacher had to put a note in her book, the book of communication, to tell her parents that she needs to study more. And I don't know if she studied because yesterday she just sent a video of her talking to Talkie. I mean, like, Talkie is a shitty app. I mean, like, it's one of the cringes want. Yeah, for real. And she's just a retarded. She's retarded, literally. And I mean, like, seriously. She doesn't know what 10 plus 10 is. It's 20. Even in the English exam, she just got a 6 on it. I mean, she like failed on it. I got a 9 because I confused a walking and shouting. It was walk and shout. I used to say, get out. I like, but I'm seriously like, is she retarded? I mean, like, after that, in the recess, we were talking gossips about her because in class she looks like a sweet girl. Well, not in the chat group. She she always says bad words and everything. Meanwhile, in class, she is like a sweet angel. But that bitch doesn't know even 10 plus 10. I mean, like, I regret about being her friend because, like, if I wasn't her friend, she could never have copied me because I mean, like, sound like like that, as she just copies me. I mean, like, she even copied my. I mean, like, she copied my WhatsApp profile. Luckily, uh, luckily she uh here here this one Gogo Martene. No, I don't know what that shit. That was my bestie's profile, and she just copied her. I mean, like, she always copies everyone. And yesterday I left one group because I have like 2,000 fucking groups. Because, and well, I'm going to say the name, Martina Bomero, always creates like 100 groups a day. And she is just so fucking annoying. I mean, like, she's too annoying. Also, for the other person that just joined, I was okay. It's just they just leave. But like, I seriously. I mean, like, how could I say 2020? How does it know what 10 plus 10 was? And the math exam, she's going for the first question. I mean, like, she didn't finish the two, the third, the fourth, and the fifth question. She's just doing the one already. And I finished it all easily because the math was easily. The questions were easy. Well, she didn't know a fuck what to respond. But yeah, I regret having her as a friend. But yeah, that's all, I guess. Also, I know that I have some. Also, Evie is my girlfriend. Evie is the one that I just show you in the chat. Evie is my girlfriend. I know I'm too young, but I love her. She's the one who changed school. I don't know if you saw the other video about my girlfriend changing school. She moved out. I'm still girlfriends with her. Abby. She got a glisten. Look at her profile. Yeah. We're both from. I mean, like, this is her. She does really funny faces. But this is my girlfriend right now. So yeah, what are you doing right now in that race? I wish I could pray, but right now, when my mom comes to make me practice maths, I mean, like, bitch, I know it. Just because I got a 7 in the, I'm going to say Spanish because I don't know how to say in English. Boletín. Boletín. Well, Jesus told me to learn again. I mean, like, I know how to. I mean, like, this teacher that we had in 4th grade, she was so kinda sweet. Now the one that we have, it's kinda sweet too, but she rage quits a bit. She rage baits a bit. I have a friend, well, not a friend in here in Roblox, that she's just a rage baiter. You say someone says a bad word about her, or someone gossips about her, and she's already going to get them banned because I don't know how she reposts them and they get banned for some reason, just because they say something bad about her. But yeah. And do you have a story to tell me too? Because I don't know. I'm quite bored while I'm just drawing. I'm jumping too much. I'm jumping too much. So yep, that's all. I think that friend is a retarded. I know she's retarded. No, I guess. Yep. That's all. If I have more and I'm in a live stream, I could tell you. But yeah, I didn't expect to this drawing to be so fucking ugly. But okay, I'm not always positive about my drawings. I'm only positive if you tell me about them because I don't know. I always trust my friends, not always because I have one that is just so fucking annoying. I got jumped by some skeletons in the mine and from above werewolf. Yellow. Guess what country I'm in? Well, guess what country I was born in? Because I'm not English. Wait, you just know. Just tell me, am I from Spain or another or other Spanish country? Because I think you already know. Wait, I forgot his ears. I forgot his ears. I forgot Mafioso's ears. I'm so fucking dumb. Yes, I'm not from Spain. I'm from another one. Okay, I think I'm done with this drawing, so I'm gonna just save everything. Also, if the light just cuts, just wait until I make a new one, because I don't know why it cuts, but just wait until I make a new one. This, oh, I'm not forgetting the face. Wait, but I gotta draw more. I gotta draw more. Fuck. I don't wanna draw more. Well, I just finish it later. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's bad. Wait, you could guess what country I'm in? Also, I'm sharing an app with my girlfriend. A plus E. Oh my gosh. Just me, I gotta take care of all of our children. We calling them children, but it's our pets that we both share. I'm surprised, a bit shocked that you couldn't guess my country right now, just right now. Also, I got like 3 pink lily seeds. I got one the Pepe. When you say where was I? Where you were saying where I was to make my sister jealous. Oh, so I said that you were my most loyal friend, right? Someone else just doing. Oh my god. Oh my god, the eating sounds. Oh. Lonely, lonely, I guess I'm lonely. But your booty got crazy. Lonely, lonely, I guess I'm lonely. Pity, pity, yep, yep. Oh, hi, you're back, I guess. I'm gonna just put him here, right here. Is it tan though? Are you tan? The silly vanilla because I'm just waiting for her. Wait, never mind. Wait, just select the color if I need to make the sketch first. I mean, like, other people watch my streams, but they don't talk. Only Tan and me talk together. Are you Tan though? Tan? Is it Tan or is it just another person? I can draw the head, oh my gosh. Wait, I can, oh my god. Oh no, I got confused with Chance, but... Give me some cookies, please. Wait, which ones are though? Oh, Tan also. Ugh. Tan also. Uh, are you a she or a he? Because I don't know. I'm a she though. But it's drooling. Wait, I'm a he, but people misgender me as she because of my Roblox avatar. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I kindly regret not him here. These wings like ears because I'm going to have you now, but later. Or better not. I'm going to draw his bunny ears. These gummy ears. Ears. Why do you say ears? Ears. I just made a cool kid drawing before I made this stream. I may take a photo of it. Or in my camera I can... Wait, instead of digital... Oh, wait, just for my... Just to tell, I'm going to shut the camera, but in my hands, yeah. So my face doesn't show. This is the cool kid drawing I just made. Look how small my hand is. This is my cookie drawing. Well, I forgot to test. I made another too. Is this no? Wait. My cringy ass drawings I just made. Yeah, I did. I normally. Actually, yes, I draw. I was a Dennis War. I was in the Dennis War fandom before. Wait, let me just run tour because I'm bored. Should change the stream's name. This is my mom bed. I don't want to show my cringy ass. Plus just someone else joined. I am drawing. Oh my god, I got so excited when you were the only one person watching the stream there. I got so fucking scared. How do I open it? One arm is... I don't want to show my face though, I just want to open the capsule. Okay. Oh my god. Wait. How is it not working? Wait, let me turn it. Oh my god, I got scared. I forgot to let my... I'm so slow to read the comments, to be honest. Wait, let me just... Corrupt nature! Oh my god, I'm just so cookie rudder right now. Team call. Wait. Okay, good. So, yep. I didn't finish though. Let me just close the capsule real quick. Wait, let me just... I'm going to search something real quick. So I can put the phone... Oh! My arm! My fucking arm! Oh my gosh! Oh my god. Well, I just broke my wrist. Well, arm into... Let me just go to the table. I was just working, so just ignore, please. Wait a bit ago, and I was just watching memes too. I mean, like, look how many fucking... Oh, let me just... I'm too fucking clumsy. Let me just move the base real quick too. Which colors? Wait, 10. Which colors should I use for the background? I know to let this phone. Oh my god. Well, it doesn't reveal my face though. Okay, 10. Which color should I use for the background? Scarlet. I don't know if I have... Which one is Scarlet too? Which one is... My fucking god. Which one is Scarlet though? Can you tell me how it looks like, because I'm quite confused. Okay, this looks better. Which one is Scarlet? Oh my god. Ah! Oh. Scarlet is wait, purple. How about some cool kid player just kill me in the morning at 2 a.m. Right, red. Let me see if I have another like red. This one's a little red. Wait, let me test it on my hand. I just opened it at this. Yeah, this. Wait. Yeah. Wait, let me just make the thing and just make it stand up. The squares were wait. The squares were black, darker red, right? I might make streams like this if I can. If not, they're digitally drawings because my mom isn't here right now. That's why I can't make this stream. Oh my gosh, it was okay. Wait, people, I'm gonna be right back real quick, or I don't know. Wait for me, okay? I'm gonna be just right back. Alright, well, bye.